Let's be honest, every week there is a revolutionary AI video model. But this one is actually different. Higgsfield just dropped Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro built on OpenAI's tech. And it's the first time that the world's most advanced AI video system is truly global, unlimited, and uncensored. No invites, no region lock, no token systems, just open access. This isn't just a flashy update, it's a structural shift in how AI video creation works. So let's break down what's new, what's real, and why this release matters. Well, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, then do it right now and hit that bell icon so that you get notified for all our future uploads. So let's understand what Higgsfield just did. A quick rewind. OpenAI's original Sora demo blew everyone's mind. Realistic motion, physics, and story logic. But hardly anyone outside research lab could touch it. It was locked, limited, and experimental. Higgsfield, on the other hand, has been quietly building a creator-facing layer on top of that technology. Think of it like this. OpenAI built the engine, Higgsfield built the car and handed the keys to everyone. So now, Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro are live inside the Higgsfield's ecosystem. And for the first time, we are seeing unlimited 1080p generations, real-time access, and no waitlist. Let's see what are the core updates in Sora 2. So, what's actually new here? At the base level, Sora 2 improves on three fronts: resolution, consistency, accessibility. Everything now outputs in 1080p full motion, not the 720p or jittery composites we used to get. Scenes now maintain logical motion, camera direction, and subject consistency. It's always on, no timeouts, no usage caps. Essentially, it's gone from AI videos as a demo to AI video as a daily creative tool. And the kicker, you can now run as many as generations as you want globally in real time. That's not just convenience, it's being of scalable AI cinematography. Then comes Sora 2 Pro, which adds a whole new layer, what they are calling multi-scene reasoning. In simple terms, it means the model can understand and maintain story context across shots. If your character walks out of a building in scene 1, Sora 2 Pro knows they are now outside in scene 2. That's kind of narrative logic older systems just couldn't do. It's not just frame-to-frame animation, it's scene-to-scene storytelling. You also get advanced motion reasoning, which means camera angles, lighting changes, and depth transitions now behave like a human cinematographer decisions. The result: video that feels directed, not generated. And for creators, that's a game changer. Because now you are not fighting randomness, you are actually shaping your film. And the good part is it is audio driven sync and expressions. One of the most underrated changes here is audio driven synchronization system. The model now aligns video motion directly with audio cues. So dialogues, breathing, background sound, and emotional expression all move in sync. That means if you feel it, voice track, it automatically generates lip sync, facial emotions, and body motion that match your tone. It's technical leap, but more importantly, it brings human believability into AI storytelling. The performance feels less robotic and more directed. And when you combine that with continuity reasoning, you get actual cinema logic. Modes that redefine workflow. Higgsfield added some new modes that basically tailor the AI for different creative goals. Brainrot mode for short, for content creators. It optimized for facts, cuts, meme paste edits, and high energy micro stories. You drop a beat, punch in your scene ideas, and it gives you meme ready videos in minutes. Product placement mode. This one's more commercial. It lets you integrate products inside your story. So instead of showing a product, it appears naturally like a character using it mid-scene. And story mode. This is the filmmaker's playground. It locks continuity, manages arcs, and keeps emotional consistency. Essentially, you are directing a film that AI just handles the cameras. These moves shift Sora from being a cool AI demo to a set of creative tools built for real workflows. And it's not working in isolation anymore. Sora 2 Pro integrates directly with Soul, Nano Banana, product to video Kling, and InfiniteTalk. That means you can write dialogue in InfiniteTalk, generate voice timings, send it straight into Sora, render scenes, and then finalize it in Kling. You are not juggling models and file formats, it's becoming an AI production pipeline. That's how this scales not just for creators but for the studios and agencies too. So what does this mean for you and me? If you are a filmmaker or a content creator, you can previs or even fully produce scenes without actors or gear. If you are a short form creator, you can iterate faster than ever, testing stories visually. If you are an agency, you can build brand stories globally in hours, not weeks. And for everyone else, this is the demonstration moment, the real one. The tech isn't locked behind corporate demos anymore, it's in your hands. So yeah, OpenAI built the core intelligence, but Higgsfield made it usable. Sora 2 Pro isn't hype. It's a fully stacked creative tool that merges AI's logic with human storytelling. Unlimited, global, and open. The world asked for Sora. Higgsfield delivered it with a director's touch. Now the question is, what story you are going to tell first? So let me know in the comments. Until the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.